Well, first of all, my name is Stacy Anthony Green. Call me Tony. And I decided to come to the Drone Command Live really to learn more about the drone industry and how I can earn income with my drone. I actually purchased my drone because I had a vision or a dream to start my own video production company and video and music. And I was going to focus on music videos. And then once I stumbled across the drone command, I actually found out there's so many more industry possibilities and ways to just generate, really significant income. I make a good income now, and I would like to see how I can leverage this drone business and developing a business that can exceed what I'm making today. I think so far my biggest takeaways from the event so far has really been about just the marketing aspect and how, for example, just things as simple as, just if, focusing on putting out your name or your logo and not really focusing on the message of what your business can bring. That's a big mistake that people make. So that was one of the first things I got out of this, and this is only day one. So I'm just looking forward to the next couple of days and learning more. I think what's great about attending virtually is I actually decided to rent a hotel away from home just so I could focus on the content. But just being able to join from anywhere, being able to interact with other folks from all over the country, and just being able to attend this way is really helpful. It keeps you flexible, and it's all good. Um, and I think for anybody that's on the fence about attending the Drone Command Live, now's the time to really look into this market if you want to really turn this into a business and get in position to make money at the right time. This is the time to do it. So if you're on the fence, you can learn a lot. Like I said, the first day, we're not even through the first day, and just learned a ton so far, just about drones, about marketing, etc. And if I were to describe Damon and Diego, I would say they're both high energy, very positive, very knowledgeable. So that's what I've gotten so far. This is only day one. I'm looking forward to continue going and learning more and absorbing as much as I can, like a sponge. So it's all good so far.